finding the cheapest price to fly from a given source city to a destination city, with a maximum number of stops allowed. The solution uses dynamic programming to find the minimum cost of reaching each city, starting from the source city. The approach is to create an array to store the minimum cost to reach each city, and initialize it with the maximum value possible. Then, loop through the maximum number of stops allowed, and for each iteration, create a copy of the current minimum costs array. Within this loop through each flight and update the minimum cost to reach the destination city of the flight, if the cost is lower than the current value. The final output is the minimum cost to reach the destination city, or -1 if it is not reachable within the maximum number of stops. The time complexity of this solution is big O k into E, where k is the maximum number of stops and E is the number of flights. The space complexity is big O n, where n is the number of cities.